Thompson with Armanino. Today, I'd like to introduce you to Armanino's Avalara sales tax integration for dynamic CRM. This solution utilizes Avalara's sales tax service to calculate tax on quote, order, and invoice records in CRM. To demonstrate this solution's functionality, let me start by creating an order. As I enter in a name, price list, and select a customer for this order, there are a few pieces I'd like to note. First, I must select a shipping origin for this order. This shipping origin represents the location from which products on this order will be shipped. Next, I can easily populate the bill to and ship to addresses on this order from the information on our customer. I continue by saving this order, and finally by selecting and adding a product. As you may have noticed, a notification has appeared on the form prompting me to calculate tax for this order. I do that simply by clicking the Calculate Tax button on the form ribbon. After saving the order, the service will now automatically create a line item representing the sales tax amount for this order. This process is incredibly simple and can be recalculated after any change to the products. Now, let me examine the products more closely. If I add a new line item to this order, open that line item, and examine the product for which this line item has been created, you can see that each product is associated with a tax code record that details the type of product and is also used to determine how to tax this specific product. Thus, this solution supports a large number of both taxable and non-taxable product types. When I return to the order, you can see that the solution has detected the changes and intelligently prompted me to recalculate the tax. Now that the tax is recalculated, I can proceed to convert this order to an invoice by selecting Create Invoice. On the invoice, I can make any final changes that I might need to, such as changing the quantity of one of the items, recalculate tax, and finalize this invoice by marking Invoice as Paid and selecting Status Reason of Committed. This will finalize the tax calculation on the record and disable further changes. As a final note, I'd also like to mention that this solution supports both taxable and tax-exempt customer accounts, various shipping tax codes, line and document level discounts for invoices, orders, and quotes, on-demand address validation for the bill to address or ship to address, and finally also the ability to override tax calculation for use in returns or in other such situations. This has been a brief overview of the capabilities of Armanino's Avalara sales tax integration for dynamic CRM. If you are interested in this solution or would like to see a more detailed demonstration, please contact Armanino. Thank you very much.